Hello viewers, I have been using Galaxy Fit 3 Smart Band for a couple of months. This is one of the best fit bands that you can get. Actually, many people have many questions in their mind regarding this Fit Band 3 after the latest update. So I thought that I should make a video so that people who are asking questions may get the answers of their questions. Some people are asking me whether any other smartphone has good pairing options with this Fit Band 3, whether music cues are shown or not. I have paired my Fit 3 with my Vivo smartphone and you can see that actually Fit 3 shows the music cues paired with other smartphones. As you can see here, you can see the cues up to 1000. But this feature doesn't work flawlessly. Sometimes it shows the cues, but sometimes it doesn't show the cues. Actually, this is a bug that Samsung needs to fix. After the latest updates, many new watch faces have been added. As the display is an AMOLED one, black watch faces look gorgeous on this Fit Band 3. However, the lower bezels are bigger than the upper, so if you set any other watch faces other than black watch faces, in that case it will look ugly. As Fit 3 is a health related device, it gives you enough features that you can use if you are a health enthusiast. Most of the sensors in this Fit Band 3 work flawlessly, and also there is accuracy in terms of blood monitoring sensor and oximeter sensor. Apart from these options, there are many other options as you can see here. I thoroughly enjoy the features on this Fit Band 3, and if you buy this Fit Band 3, you will also like the features offered by Samsung. After purchasing this device, I have got actually 3 to 4 updates and now it is performing very good. If you swipe right, you can have all the options that you have set previously. You can also reshuffle these options according to your preference. On swiping down, you will get the notification panel. There are 2 pages here. You can control your notification, your always on display, and many other features are there in this notification panel. Currently the price of this Fit Band 3 is about 3300 on flipkart.com, and after using 50 super coins you can get the device under 3.3k, but you should wait for the goat sale or any other sale to get the best discounts on this Fit 3. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.